am all down for a challenge. Let's start painting our face. Potato, like a big potato. I am obsessed with this lipstick. Like, whoosh, beauty. Hello and what is up everyone, welcome back to my channel. And since in my last video I had stated that lipstick is a magic product, I've been slammed with so many DMs on my Instagram that Vandy, why don't you try a makeup look just created by lipsticks, or just do a full face of lipstick makeup. And they sounded like they're throwing up some challenge on me, and I am all down for a challenge, you guys. So let's bring on the Pablo Picasso from our inner selves and start painting our face with some beautiful lipstick shades. So are you guys up with me? So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so here are all my lipsticks that we probably gonna be using today for our look. Let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna be color correcting all my darker areas like my under eyes, my pimples, my acne marks, which I have lots of acne marks nowadays because I don't know what's going on with my hormones, but there are these pimples. These are ridiculous cysts. Okay, so for my color correcting, I'm gonna be using a peach shade, a coral peach shade, because this helps in reducing all those darker areas, those darkness from your face. And I'm gonna be using my finger, the Pablo Picasso finger.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.
And yes, if you are thinking that why is this girl not putting any moisturizer or any sunscreens to her face, I had already prepped my face, I had washed my face, I had applied a ton of moisturizer, I had also applied a sunscreen that is this Neutrogena Ultra Sheen Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50 because it's hot out there.
For days, searching for your praise, but is it even?
Okay, so once we are done with color correcting and we ended up looking like an orange pudding. Yes, orange pudding, because I am looking like an orange pudding today. So let's move on to our base, and I'll quickly do my base and come back to you. Okay, so now I'm all done with my base, and I had used my concealer over my all those color corrected areas. I had used concealer, I had used foundation and some powder, and I also done my eyebrows. And now I'm looking like a potato, like a big potato with no definition at all. But this lipstick, this peach lipstick that I had used as a color corrector has worked wonders. It has covered all my darker areas. Like, you can already see that my dark circles are gone. Wow, I'm shocked. And if you are saying that why you had not used your lipsticks for your base, just because I'm not a horrible person. I cannot use any red or blue or maroon lipstick for my base. And please, you also don't try that until it's Halloween, where you can go crazy with your makeup. So now, moving on to our eyes, I really have to think that which colors do I pick for my eyes. So for my crease color, I'm thinking of using like a bit a reddish, maroonish type of color, so as to give some definition to my eyes and some depth as well. So I'm gonna be using the Swiss Beauty in the shade 207.
Is there a chance for me to clean your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind?
Is it working? Yeah. Little itsy bitsy bit. It's working.
Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
Okay, so for my eyelids, let's do something a bit lighter than this. Again, let's use that same peachy color because it will give more like a binded look to our face. And I'm again gonna be using my finger. Don't be disgusted with me. I love using my finger for cream products because it blends like magic. Magic. Try it on. Yeah, that's really matching with my orange t-shirt today. This Calvin Klein one. Okay, so now, yeah, I had not given any color to my lower crease. Let's give it. Sorry, did I say lower crease? No, it's lower lash line. I'm gonna be using that same blending brush and giving out some color. Yeah, see how beautiful this looks. So by now, so far so good. We are doing good with our lipsticks. And now for the fun part, eyeliner. So we are not gonna be using any black eyeliner today. I'm gonna be using a liquid lipstick instead. This ADS Pro liquid lipstick. This is a matte lipstick in the shade Chrome Red. That is 421. And this, I tell you, this is so dark and so beautiful. See, this is red and beautiful. Let's do this. Yeah, so I'll be using this brush, this eyeliner angular brush. Okay guys, so you can see this thing is looking already so beautiful, like perfection. Yeah, I know, don't judge my wing techniques because I'm not that good, but I'm sure that you guys must be good with your wing liners. So you can apply beautiful wings, but you can see that this is giving so much color and so much beauty to your eyes. I am in love. I can say that I am obsessed. I am obsessed with this lipstick challenge till now. It's so good. Now moving on to our face. Yeah, so we are left with our contour, right? So for contour, I'm having this MAC lipstick, MAC in the shade 12. This is a nice brown shade. This is very dark actually, but we can work with this. We can create a nice contour, nice shades. So let's apply this. I'm crossing my fingers. I hope it works. Otherwise it's gonna ruin everything.
Lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze.
You know, I'm all up to those challenges, like all those viral makeup videos on maybe TikTok. But we don't have access to TikToks in India, but I had seen a lot of videos, lot of makeup videos where everyone is doing like all those lipstick makeups where they put like all those dark swatches, the dark red swatches, and they get all tomatoey, all red, and then the final result is like whoosh, beauty, perfection. I'm all up to those videos, but that's another video. We'll talk about it later. Now it's time to blend and let's see that if this works or not. contouring to your jawline. I don't think that I have that bad of a jawline, but then too I love contouring. It just gives me that Moni Roy kind of jawline, and I love Moni Roy's jawline. Yeah, she definitely has so sharp features on her face. We have so many Bollywood stars and Bollywood celebrities with such good facial features that I am just in love with them. Yeah, literally, like see Deepika Padukone. She has such beautiful eyes. Blend. Oh wow, it's blending pretty nicely. I hadn't thought of it that it will be so easy to blend out this MAC lipstick, but yeah, this lipstick is actually creamy, so it's helping a lot. My nose is looking so good. Maybe I could shift my contour palettes, or I could swap my contour palettes with this MAC brown lipstick, because I usually don't use this lipstick as a lipstick, but I can use it as a contour because I am just loving the results. All good. So I am again gonna be using the same peach color for my blush as well, and this time I'm gonna be using a brush. Where is my brush? So I'm just taking the product on directly on my brush, and I'm gonna be patting it down.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like
you know that trend, who's gonna know? Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know that we are doing our full face with lipstick. Wow, it's looking pretty good. Okay, so I'll be using this lipstick today. Let's apply this. Actually, this is not my favorite shade of lipstick. This is from Color Bar in the shade 59, which is Peach Crush. This is on a bit neon side, and I'm not into very neon-y kind of makeup, but it's looking good. So what you guys think of this look? I am totally into it. I am totally into it. This look is everything. I'm just taking my Wet n Wild highlighter, and I'm just gonna be applying a little bit on the temple of my cheeks. And just a tiny weeny bit on my nose to give it a button effect, button nose effect. A little bit on my Cupid's bow, and I'm done. I'm all done. So this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you like it because I am totally into it. This look is looking so good, and all the lipsticks had worked pretty well. I'm loving the eyeliner. I'm living for this blush. I'm also loving the contour part because MAC has just blown my mind. This MAC lipstick in brown that I had used for the contour, you can also get it. This is in the shade 12, and I'm all set to go.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purse.
So if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Do not stay back. Comment on this video what else do you want, what you want in my next video. If you have any such other challenges, I am ready to go. I am all in challenges because I'm loving this challenge. And do not forget to subscribe my channel. And we'll meet in my next video. Until then, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, make good choices, and keep doing your makeup because makeup makes us pretty. We all are pretty, but makeup just gives life to our face. So until then, take care. Bye bye.